Hello, welcome to my channel. Okay, how to do something exciting. I'll simply Google for the Python challenge, and I will be solving the problem based on that. Uh, what has happened? Okay, right now I saw the Python principles. Let me open it. There are few challenges, and difficulty level is in the increasing order. First one is simple, difficulty level 3, 4, and the difficulty level is 7 for the 1000 separator. Let me pick up the one first task called the capital indices. So the problem is write a function named capital indices. The function takes a single parameter which is a string. Your function should return a list of all indices in the string that have a capital letters. For example, calling this should return a list 0 to 4. Let me start it by defining a function. Okay, I'll copy this one. My computer is little bit slow. I'll get some string here. Uh, okay, in order to check if the letter is capital or small, there are various ways. So first of all I'll follow one approach. In the Python, there is a function named is upper, which simply checks if the letter is in upper case or in lower case. So let me perform this task using the same approach. So let me define an empty index for I in some str where I am to print I. Okay, first of all I will show how does this work. If I use this loop, it will simply iterate on that string and prints each character. So among these character, I have to identify if that uh, letter is capital or small. For that, I can simply apply if condition. If some str this is upper, if it is upper, what I can do is simply use this function index.append I, and then simply return. Okay, for this I also need to print this one. So if I try to simply run it, uh, some str data. Okay, what is mistake here? Capital indices some str. If some str dot is upper, index dot append I. Oh, so I have to use this I. I already extracted the character from this string, so I have to use I. So right now I got the list of capital letters yes, yellow, but our requirement is to return the indices. So in order to do that, what I can do is uh, first of all I also need index and the value. Let me use it. There is a function named enumerate. I can make use of that. So if I simply run this code, I have to do ind. I have to open ind. Now it is saying that my solution is correct. So this is one of the approach. I can use the second approach as well. Instead of using this function, I have one more possibility, like okay, just a second. What I can do is I can use the regular expression as well. So I believe you could have already heard about the regular expression. In order to use regular expression in the Python, there is a package called RE. So I can import that simply RE. So first, this loop is needed anyway, but I can use make a use of that regular expression now. In order to find use regular expression, I have to match the pattern. So let me define a variable name pattern. Pattern. I have to match A to Z, right? Capital A to capital Z. So if my objective is to match a small letter as well, then I have to give a small letter like this. Right now we only need to match the capital letter, so I can simply give like this. It should be contained in as a string. So if re no I dot re dot matches, there is a function named message. Re dot message pattern on the I, then index dot append in. This is the second solution. If I simply run code, oh, I got the error. What is the error? Pattern A to Z. First of all, I have to give the string, then the pattern. So what is wrong here? No, I was right. Uh, First of all, what I did simply, I have to match I with no sorry, I have to match patt pattern with I only. So import re dot matches pattern. If this pattern is matched in I, then index dot append. What is the error? If I simply run it, invalid syntax. Oh, I missed this colon, right? That was the mistake. Re dot match. Okay, there is a method called match. So our solution is accepted. So basically, we learned two of the approaches. One is to use the is upper method, and second one is to use the regular expression. Now I can simply submit it. Also, I can look at some more example. Okay, this first one uses the our approach. Second one is using the list comprehensions. And the method which uses regular expression is not present there. So basically, we learned two of the methods. Okay, thank you.